You're lying.
Hey yo, what's up guys? It is me Zane back here with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can troll on Omegle. I'm going to be showing you guys today 4 or 5 tricks that'll help you troll people that you meet on the video chatting site Omegle. These are really simple to do. All you got to do is follow the steps properly and you'll get a really great result. The reactions that you will get from these are going to be priceless, guys. The only thing that you are going to be needing to follow today's video is a free open source program called OBS, otherwise known as Open Broadcast Software. And within that, you're going to be needing a plugin called Virtual Camera. Stop the video right now, head on over to OBS, link will be in the description down below. Download it. Once you have, come back to this video and I'll show you what to do after that. Okay, so let's head on over right to our computer. Once you've installed OBS, what you're going to want to do is head on over to the second link in the description down below. And once you've headed on over to that site, you're just going to want to click on the go to download button, download that, open it up, install it. I'm not going to install it right now in front of you guys, and that's because I have already installed it and there is no need to. Once you've done that, you are basically set to follow all of these tricks that I'm going to be teaching you guys today. So let's start this video. On to our first trick, guys. This trick is called this trick is called the disappearing effect. What you're going to want to do is head on over to your computer's camera software. So we're just going to want to open up our camera. We have our camera right here. Now that you've opened up your camera software, what you're going to want to do is move out of the frame and take a picture. Now we're just going to want to take a picture. Head on over to your OBS and see where it says scenes over here. You're just going to want to click on the little plus button right there at the bottom. Click add, and you're going to want to name this scene camera feed. Press OK, and now you're going to have a completely black screen. Go over to the little plus button at the bottom right there and click on add. Click on where it says video capture device. It should automatically detect your camera. Now that your video camera's popped up, all you're going to want to do is click on OK, and you're just going to want to resize your camera so that it can fill up the screen. Once you've done that, click on the plus button again where the scenes are. Click on add, type in BG, which stands for background, and you're going to want to repeat the same steps, but instead of adding a video source, click on the image source. Press OK, click on browse, and find the background we just took. You're going to want to press on OK and repeat the same steps by dragging it out to fill the screen. Once you've resized it, you can now flip between your two scenes that you've created, and it will now create a disappearing effect. You can adjust the fade settings by going to the scene transitions and playing around with the duration of the fade. Mine's set to 500 right now. You guys can set it to literally whatever you like. I think this is a really cool effect. You guys are going to get some great reactions with this. And now, to use this as our Omegle camera, all you got to do is click on the start virtual camera button, head on over to Omegle, and you just got to go back to OBS. You've disappeared. On to our next trick, guys. The next trick is going to be impersonating a celebrity on Omegle. Now what you're going to want to do for this trick is head on over to youtube.com. Once you've headed on over there, you're just going to want to type in the name of your celebrity, and at the end of it, you're going to want to type in either Zoom, FaceTime, or Instagram Live. The reason why I'm asking you to search up those terms is because videos like that have a live interactive feed like a webcam would. So in today's case, I'm going to be using David Dobrik as an example. So I'm going to be looking up David Dobrik Zoom. Once you find your video, you're just going to want to go and find a segment of the video that you think would be that's kind of eye-catching to people who are just skipping through. So I've already found it, and it's David coming into the frame with a flamethrower. I think that's pretty eye-catching. Copy your link and head on over to a YouTube downloader. In today's case, I'm going to be using ytmp3.cc. Once you're here, you're going to want to click on the MP4 button, paste in your link, and download it and convert it. Once you've converted it, what you're going to want to do is download it. Once you've downloaded your clip, what you're going to want to do is head on over to online-video-cutter.com. Once you're here, you're just going to want to open up the file that you just downloaded, and you're going to want to trim that segment that you found. So I'm going to trim it right before the camera pans out, so right there. And also using this site's crop tool, I'm going to be cropping out the Kelly Clarkson watermark up there to make it look more realistic. Once you're done that, guys, all you're going to want to do is press the save button and download your video. Once you've downloaded the final results, head on over back to OBS and create a new scene. You're gonna want to name this scene Celebrity Loop. Now we're gonna add a media source by clicking the add button and clicking media source. Press OK, browse, and now select your video that you just downloaded. Once you've selected your clip, make sure that you guys check off the loop box. Press OK, resize it. Again, press the start virtual camera. I'm gonna go head on over to OMEGLE and test this trick out.
No. You're lying.
See, we're getting some good reactions, guys.
Hey, bro, you gotta flip. Hey, put that on your head.
What? Okay, so the next trick, guys, is switching between your webcam to another webcam. So I've actually seen someone else do this. I think I saw this on TikTok where this guy, he was chatting to people and then he would switch to like a really scary picture. So what you're gonna need for this, guys, is actually Photoshop or a photo editing software. You're just gonna wanna head on over to your camera app and take a picture of yourself with your mouth open, looking scared, I guess. Now that you have this disgusting, ugly picture, what you're gonna wanna do is open that up in Photoshop. I'm not gonna teach you how to do all of this because then this video would be way too long, but you know, try to make it look as scary as possible. So yeah, enjoy this time lapse. Okay, so now that we're done our, I don't know, it's not the scariest image. I could have done better, but I'm kind of in a rush. So what you're gonna want to do with that is save that image, and you're just gonna want to open up OBS again, and you're gonna want to create a new scene, and you're gonna call this scary image. Add a new image source, browse for that image, and where you have camera feed, and you're just gonna want to So now that you have that set up, you're just gonna want to take your scene transition, click on that and switch that to cut. So now you have an immediate jump cut to this, which would be pretty scary. And once you get onto OMEGLE, I advise that you guys do turn off your audio because it will ruin the effect by hearing the clicking. So guys, that is going to be concluding today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to tackle these tricks with your friends, go ahead, do them. Send me videos. I also recently just created a new Discord server, a Zane Burko official Discord server where all my subscribers, viewers, whoever could just chill, hang out. You guys can talk about some things. You guys could ask questions there, some personal questions to me. I'm always on Discord. It's a great opportunity for you guys to interact with me and fans alike. Go check it out. Link will be in the description down below. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you guys there. From now on, I'm also going to be creating a fan art channel in that Discord server where you guys can post edits, fan art, drawings, I don't even know, memes, and whichever ones I find the best or funniest, I will pick for the next video to be featured in. You guys will also be getting a shout out. I know you guys don't want to miss out on that. Go check out the Discord server, guys. I'll be picking some people very soon for the next video. So go submit that fan art. Alright, see you guys. Peace.
Subscribe to Zane Burko.